Hindi Divas, a celebration of language and culture. Hindi Divas is celebrated on 14 September every year to honor the Hindi language, one of the most spoken languages in the world and an official language of India. This day marks the adoption of Hindi in the Devanagari script as the official language of the Indian Union by the Constituent Assembly on 14 September 1949. The celebration of Hindi Divas emphasizes the cultural significance of Hindi and its role in fostering national unity. Historical context. The journey of Hindi becoming the official language of India began during the freedom struggle. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi believed in the power of a common language to unite the diverse population of India. After independence, while English continued as an associate official language, Hindi was recognized as a symbol of national identity. The adoption of Hindi was not without debate, as India is home to numerous languages and dialects. However, the decision to elevate Hindi as an official language reflected a desire to promote linguistic harmony in a newly independent nation. Significance of Hindi Divas. Hindi Divas serves as a reminder of the importance of linguistic pride and cultural heritage. Hindi, spoken by more than 43% of India's population, is not just a means of communication but a vessel of tradition, art, and literature. The language has produced great literary figures like Premchand, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, and Mahadevi Verma, who have enriched Indian literature and thought. Celebrating Hindi Divas encourages the younger generation to engage with the language, ensuring that it continues to thrive in the digital age. Schools, colleges, and government institutions mark the occasion with events such as essay competitions, debates, and poetry recitations, all aimed at fostering appreciation for Hindi. Challenges and the road ahead. Despite its prominence, Hindi faces challenges in a multilingual country like India. Regional languages have their own rich histories and cultural significance, and there is an ongoing debate about linguistic imposition. Many states in South India, for instance, have expressed concerns about the overemphasis on Hindi at the expense of regional languages like Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada. The government must balance promoting Hindi while respecting India's linguistic diversity. Moreover, in an increasingly globalized world, English continues to dominate professional and academic spaces, often overshadowing Hindi. Hindi Diva serves as a reminder that while global languages are important, nurturing and preserving one's native language is equally crucial. Conclusion. Hindi Divas is not just a celebration of a language but a reflection of India's pluralistic ethos. It highlights the role of language in nation building and cultural preservation. By celebrating Hindi, India acknowledges the power of language to connect people to their roots while embracing the diversity that makes the country unique.